Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Treywick, and today I'm going to talk about 4 inexpensive and compact items that I would absolutely buy again for camping. So first, on top we have a collapsible step stool. So as you can tell, it doesn't take up much space, but it easily expands out into a relatively tall step stool. So I use this getting in and out of the camper and getting on top of the camper and getting in and out of the back of my truck, those kind of things. Anytime that I need to get up on top of something, obviously, need a little step up. So this actually replaced a larger 2-step step stool that was about this big, weighed about 3 times the size, and collapsed down, much bigger than this. So this saved me a lot of space, a lot of weight, and anytime that I can save some space in that tiny camper in my truck and that kind of stuff, it's definitely a good thing. So that's number 1, and these things are not in any order. Also, I'm going to leave links to everything in the description. These are Amazon links, and they are affiliate links, so I do get a little commission off of them for just doing this video and sharing these things that are really useful for me. So that, I use it a lot. This tarp, I haven't actually used this specific one yet, but I do have other tarps that are essentially serving this purpose, and then this is just a good backup to have no matter what. So I'll use it to put up around the awning on my camper so that I can get some privacy if I need to take a shower, use the restroom, that kind of stuff. Say I've set up camp and it's not underneath the awning and it starts raining, I can throw this on top of it and keep things dry. Just a all-around good, cheap thing to keep in your camper. So number 3 are these collapsible buckets. So both of these are about 2.5 gallons. They're really dirty because I actually use them. I use them at home while I'm here, while I'm not even camping, so they get used. And you can get them at a hardware store like Home Depot or Lowe's, but you can also get it from Amazon. So like I said, I'm going to leave the links in the description. But you see it just folds out. Got a nice handle. I opened it on the wrong side, so when you open it, put the handle over here so you can actually use it. And then this one is a square container with a little drain in the bottom, so you could use that for washing dishes, washing clothes, whatever you want to do, washing yourself. And then the last but not least, probably one of the more important things, is where you're going to go to the bathroom. So this is my first bet, because most vault toilets are actually pretty gross. I would rather put up a tarp and use this in my campsite. And basically what I do with this is I'll grab one of these plastic garbage bags that are made for these toilets, put them in here, and then I'll put down a layer of peat moss, kind of like a composting toilet if you've ever seen a composting toilet, and do my business. And then I'll sprinkle this on top of it, which is just a portable toilet absorbent gel. It gels anything liquid and keeps it from spilling, so that keeps it from going anywhere. But really the main thing is that peat moss is going to soak up all of that bad stuff, all of the smell, layer on top of the business, and then just kind of repeat the process as you need to. I've gotten multiple days without having to dump it, and when I do dump it, I just tie it up, throw it in my big heavy duty trash bag that I've been using, that I keep around the camp, that I throw all my trash in, and then I throw that in the dumpster or trash can, wherever is safe. But by then it's double or triple bagged at least, and all completely dried out from the gel and the peat moss. So I'll just show you collapsing it up real quick. Ooh, hard to do this. There we go. And then just one more look at everything just stacked up, because Like I said, it's pretty compact. It's not going to take up a whole lot of room, but each one of these things is going to serve, that's going to serve one purpose, but the rest of these things are going to serve multiple purposes, but that's a pretty important purpose. So I hope these are, something that can help you in your camping adventures. And if you want something that's not going to help you but might look cool, I've got some stickers up on my website, TreyWickEllis.com. I've got some other merch and stuff there too, so if you want to check it out, I'll also leave that link in the description. But hit that like button, comment for the algorithm, subscribe if you like camping, and I will catch y'all on the next one.